Facebook, YouTube, right here, AOCleaning. We are in Kirkwood, Missouri today, and it's a little bit rainy today. It's about 46 degrees, and as you guys can see, we got the Hardwood van here. We got Bridget ready to do our service with us, and we're gonna do a screen and recoat for about 550 square feet of hardwood, and we're gonna get back to the original state as close as possible because they are putting this house in the market. And let me show you what you guys are doing. It's supposed to snow later today, so hopefully we can get in here and get this done. Now the client did try to do some color correction here and here. I'm gonna see if I can help them out and make it a little better. But yeah, guys, these are on-site finished, and let's see what we can do. Another area here. Got this here. This bedroom. And this bedroom. Another little tip, guys, if you have this floor, or looks like your floor, and you just want to look at another option, you don't want to replace it, and you don't want to go through the sanding process, being at your house for a week or so, and put up with the smell, this may be an option for you. This is only $250 a square foot, guys. Now we do have a minimum, so we ain't going to come out and just do it like a one area, but we do have a minimum to come out, but otherwise it's $250. So yeah, that'll get you done. I know a lot of people watch these things, and other contractors and other people, but this is for the homeowners. If you have this situation, or even if you have a business, this is a great option. Again, this is wood floor maintenance, screen and recoat. We do buff and coat, clean and buff, and of course we do sanding as well. And that's the restoration side of it. But if depending on what you want to convey, if you're not really wanting to spend a lot and just want to make it look good and put on the market, like this client, great option, guys. The people's telling me, Ryan, I really love the convenience. They love the convenience of a same-day service, screen and recoat, and they don't have to be out of their house for a week. So, and the cost and the price is also good. But some people say we care about the price. We just like that there's no smell, and we can be back in our home that evening. So you can't walk on it in just a few hours and put furniture back in 24 to 48 hours. So yeah, guys, that's what we do. Remember, before you floor it, let AO restore it. All right, guys, a little update. This is already screened and vacuumed. We're getting ready to tack it now. This room, nice and smooth and clean. All the imperfections are gone. This room here. And we already screened this. Now we're tacking it now. Yeah, guys. Looking good. And after we vacuum it and tack it, we'll start laying that first coat of poly. AO, let's go. Guys, attacking the floors, and water popping as well. And guys, it's gonna look good when it's laid down. We got some good abrasions. Yes, sir. Stay tuned. I just did a color correction. Remember how it was like splotchy and white and missing stain? So I blended it the best we could. Got it about 75% better. Let that dry and we'll recoat it. Hey, yo, let's go. All right, guys, we got the first coat on. Man, So beautiful. Again, this is a screen and recoat. We did some color correction. And guys, I'll be honest, it's big improvement. It came out better than I thought it would. The client's gonna love it. All right, guys, we're gonna grab some lunch, come back in about 2 hours, put another coat down, and then the client's gonna take a look at it and give me a review and a testimonial, and that'll be a wrap. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we just got back. You guys can see this floor looks absolutely stunning. This is only the first coat, nice satin sheen. As you can see, a lot of those color corrections I did blended well, and he's gonna be excited. So we got that going. This one's pretty much dry. Look how beautiful that looks. And the other two rooms are still drying, but they'll be dry here in a little bit, and then we'll start recoating the second coat. But man, beautiful. All right, guys. AOCleaning. I'm with my client that found me online, came out, did an estimate a couple weeks ago, booked on the spot, and they came to my shop, and we really were brainstorming some ideas to make his floors look better. And guys, he is so impressed with the way his floors turned out. We did a screen and recoat with a mild color correction of amber tint. And guys, he is blown away. I even told him I'm impressed kind of too, because I didn't expect it to come this good. I'm amazed myself sometimes. But he's so impressed, guys, and he wants to speak to his overall experience with our company. Without further ado, Chris, take it away.
Yeah. Hey, Ryan. Yeah, I was really impressed with you and your team and how you talked me through this whole process. And I'm really happy with the way the floors turned out at way less cost than I expected and the other bids that I got. So I really appreciate your help, and I'll be using you again for sure.
Awesome. Well, Chris, thank you so much for that. And that gives other clients knowing, like yourself, that have the same kind of floor, what they can expect from our company. So again, thank you for that feedback, that great testimonial, and also your business.
Thanks so much, Ryan. I appreciate it.
Awesome.